Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to experiment. I've seen people saying online this universal foam cleaner can clean various things including shoes. So I'll read the specifications. They say you can use to clean surface of machines, metals and plastic, surface of various office equipments including computer, copy machine and printer, interior and exterior of car surface, so that includes the rubber, leather and plastic. You can use it also to clean plane shapes, industry machines, furniture, floor, walls and ceramic products, etc. So I've seen online people using this type of foam cleaner to clean shoes. So today I'm going to clean my shoes, Louis Vuitton, and see if it can work. So as you can see, I've used the shoes and they're dirty, so I want to experiment if it works. So I have a piece of clean cloth, some gauze wire that I'm going to use to smear, and also this spray, it has some brush on top, so I'm going to use it. So hope you're gonna learn something and enjoy the video. I'm going to start. So before you apply, you have to shake. So whoa. So I'll put it aside and also take this one. So if it works well, I'll recommend people to use this to clean shoes. Hope it goes as planned. So they say you wait for a few minutes for the reaction to take place, then you smear. So it will be, they say you clean, they say it will be okay. So Lee, you help me do it, right? See. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this brush to scrub. And I'll use this piece of gauze wire. Look, it really works. It really works. It really works. Whoa. It's clean. It's clean. You see? It removed that. It removes that. Whoa. It cleans so quickly. Guys, I recommend people to use this to clean their shoes. Hardon TM Universal Foam Cleaner. It's a good one. It's a good one. It really works. You see? My shoes are now clean. My shoes are now clean. You see the dirt? It really works. Let me do this, the second one. Cleans.
Hata watu wanakuja tu bila.
It cleans. Look at that. It really cleans. So I'll also try to use it in different applications, but in cleaning the shoes, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It really does a spectacular work. So as you can see, the shoes are clean.
Yes, we're doing it again. The universal foam cleaning agent. I'm going to use it to wash these other shoes. I used it on the first shoes and then they're clean. So I'm going to use it on the second shoes. Let's see how we do it. I'm going to use it to clean. I don't know, these are old shoes, but I'm going to see if it works. These are the ones that are a bit new, so I don't know if it will work on this one. No, I still want to use it. I don't want to use this brush for now. I just want to use this gauze to see if it will work. I don't want to waste it, you know. I bought it, but now I'm a bit low on cash, so I want. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me. But they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things.
So do you think it will be as clean as these other ones?
Not really. You know, I've been walking, not really, my brother's shoes because they're not mine. I walked with my other shoes and then like they lose their white effect. I won't say white effect, white color. So when you use these shoes for a long time, they tend to lose their white color and they look like brown, somehow brown. So I don't think it was going to work like on the other shoes. But still, this is where the point it touches when I clean it. But still, you see, it moves the dirt. There was dirt there. Now it's not there.
So what are the names of these shoes?
This shoes, J1s. Yeah, this stuff really cleans because I see that is going.
So they recommend before you use, you have to shake it first.
And like really, so that it forms.
Yeah.
You call it okay.
You see the effect?
The shoes are becoming more clean. Like really, it does clean. The shoes aren't the way they were when I started wiping. Somehow they're a bit clean. I think it works.
So when you're doing, don't press this hard. You know? Making
it ruins the shoes.
Yeah, don't ruin. Just do it gently, okay?
So I used the universal foam cleaner on the first shoes, and then I did it on the second shoes. But then the second shoes, when I cleaned them, this is the farthest they can go. So it means the foam works. They were so dirty when I was cleaning them. Then they look like this. This was the clean part, but then when the shoe has been worn for a long time, sometimes when you clean it, it becomes stained. But these ones are the exact one that shows how the foam cleans. They're really clean, so white. I have used 0% of water. Maybe the foam has some percentage of water, but this is how they turned out, and they look really clean. I didn't clean this part. I only cleaned this surface, so they're really clean. It works. The foam cleaner is I won't say a flex, but it's nice. It cleans. So the shoes. buy this stuff, it cleans.